Hi, I'm Dr. Mark McCawley, and today I'm going to talk about different things that can affect your gums. One of them that a lot of people don't suspect so much is actually smoking cannabis or even vaping cannabis. Everybody's always asking, does it really affect my gums? Is it that bad? Well, I've got some cases where you actually see it. It can affect some serious bone loss right here. So this is a young woman, mid-20s. She does vape and use cannabis there. And you can see she's losing bone in between her teeth there, losing bone, getting lots of inflammation, lots of infection there, lots of buildup. And that's something you see a lot with cannabis use right there. You actually can see the bone peeling away from these teeth here. You can see it on the CT scan. You can actually see the deeper pocketing. The yellows are wherever it's severe there. And the data actually backs that up too. So we've actually got studies that show you've got a 3 times higher risk if you smoke cannabis to have severe attachment loss there. And even cavities. So you've got a much higher risk of having root cavities and also a 41% higher chance of tooth loss there too. So that's something you definitely don't want to have. So if you smoke cannabis and you notice you have any bleeding, inflammation, any infection, anything like that, even some bad breath, it would be a good idea to come in, get checked out, because there's something we can definitely help out with. Thank you very much and have a great day.